大家好，我是拉各斯大学孔子学院的李老师，你也可以叫我 Chidoga 老师。Hello everyone, I am Chidoga 老师 from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. You can also call me Liu 老师. Today we are going to learn tones in Chinese language. Okay, let's go. So in Mandarin we have four main tones. We have four main tones in Mandarin, and the first one is what? Ma. This is the tone. When we're talking about tone, this line is the tone. So it's ma. The first one is ma. You can see how it pronounced is flat, high and flat. Ma, ma. Then the second tone is what? Ma, ma. It rises. Ma, ma. Then the third one, the third tone is what? Ma. It's fall down, then it goes up. Ma, ma. And the fourth tone is ma, ma. Okay, let's go. As we can see, you see that this thing, all of them is M-A, M-A, M-A. But the tone is what makes them different. Even their meanings and their characters are different. So the first one, ma, is what means mom. Ma. Can we try it? Ma. Ma. Ma is high and flat. Ma. Then the second one, ma. Ma. It goes up. Ma. Just like what? Ma, what in English? Ma, which means what? Help. Then the third one, the third tone is ma, 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 which means what? Horse. It falls, then it goes up. While the last one is ma, ma, which means what? Insult or to swear to someone. So you can see that even though the spelling M-A is the same, but it's the tones that make them different. So that's why tones in Chinese are very important. So if you're learning Chinese, you have to know each word, the tone of it. If, for example, I want to call mom and I say ma, that means I'm cursing the person, right? Or maybe I want to call my, I say ma, that means I'm calling my mom horse. Do you get it? So please, the tones are very important. Okay, let's practice more. So the first tone, this is the first tone, example, first tone. Then, if you want to pronounce it here, the BA is what? Ba, still the flat tone. Ba, which means 8. Ba, ba. Then the next one is E. Can you try it? E, E, which means what? 1. Then another one, G, G. Girl, which means elder brother. Then the second tone is what? Ba, rising tone. Ba, ba, which means to select. Ba. Then the second one, still the second tone. Yeah, just like yeah, yeah. Grandfather. Yeah, yeah. Then the third one, pa, just like passion. To crime. Pa, pa. Okay, that is all for second tone. Then the third tone, we have da, da. Can you try it? Da, which means what? To beat. Anything have to do with hand, it's da, da ren, da donshi. Anything da. Then another one is yeah, yeah. Yeah, which means also. 我也很好. 我也很好. Yeah. Then the next one is 姐姐, which means elder sister. 姐姐. Then the fourth one, that is the fourth tone now. And the next one now, with the fourth one is ba. Ba, which is baba. Ba means that. Ba, ba, baba. Then the next one, Didi, that is D. The double read Didi becomes younger brother. Then the next one, May, that is May, which means younger sister. Okay, do we get it? Is it hard? So you see, in Chinese, tones are very important. As you can see, most of the words, the spellings are the same, but their tones make them different. How you pronounce it and their meanings. Okay, for example, this ma for mom, even the characters of these are different. This ma, how do I write this? Is ma. Ma. Then this ma. Two mu inside. 2, 3 inside. Then the third one, ma, which means horse. Then the fourth one, ma. Okay, so we can see that the tones, their tones are different, also their characters are different. Okay, let's go one more time. The first tone is what? Ma. Let's try it. Ma, ma, flat tone, ma. The second tone, ma, rising tone, ma, ma. Then the third tone, falling and rising, ma, ma, ma. And the last tone, falling, ma, ma, ma. Okay, let's try this. Can you try it first? 8 is what? Ba, ba. 1 is in. Elder brother, girl. Then the second tone we have to select is ba. Grandfather, yeah. Pa. Then the third tone, da. Can you try it? Da. The next one, yeah. Wo ye hen hao. Yeah. Wo ye shi xue shen. Yeah. The next one, jie. Okay, for the fourth one we have ba, which is baba, which is dad. And the next one, didi, that is d. And the next one is may. So you see the tones, they have their demonstration. The first one, ma, flat tone, ma, rising tone, ma, which is the second, ma. The third, ma, and the fourth, ma. Okay, I hope all of us can demonstrate it now, and I hope it's helped us in our learning Chinese. 谢谢大家，再见。